Hello everyone, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Competitive Exams. Today we are going to do all the one word substitutions asked in CGL 2019 Tier 1 examination. So let's proceed with the question. The first question is where clothes are kept. The four options are coffin, wardrobe, hanger and shaft. The right answer is wardrobe. And coffin is the place where the dead body is buried or is kept. The next question is something that can't be heard is known as inaudible. Infallible means incapable of making errors, means who does not do errors. Audible is the just opposite of inaudible, and irrevocable is which can't be altered. The next question is a person very reserved in speech is known as reticent. One another word for reticent is taciturn. The next question is open refusal to obey orders is known as defiance. Obedience is the opposite of defiance. Adherence and compliance are the synonyms. Morals that govern one's behavior is known as ethics. Intuition is the immediate action or reaction of anyone's और यू से कि इन हिंदी कि मेरा दिल कह रहा है कि वो ऐसा नहीं कर सकता है नहीं कर सकती दैट इज कॉल्ड इंट्यूशन. वन हु लोड्स एंड अनलोड शिप्स इज नोन एज स्टीवडोर. स्पिंस्टर इज एन एल्डरली वुमेन who is not married. Rustic means uncivilized. Captain you all know, Kaptan. The next question is a sudden rush of a large number of frightened people or animals is known as stampede. Scapegoat is bali ka bakra. Lunacy means craziness or madness, and the recluse is hermit or saint, you can say sadhu sant. Our next question is a song sung at a burial is known as dirge. Sonnet is a 14 lines poem. Ballad is a romantic or sad song, especially a slow one, and hymn are the mantras. A period of 10 years is known as decade. Fortnight is a period of 15 days. And century is 100, you all know, and millennium is 1000. Our next question is one who leaves his own country to settle in another is known as immigrant. The one who is preoccupied with his own interests is known as egoist. One another word similar to egoist is egotist. Egotist is a person who talks about himself only. And pessimist is nirashavadi. Atheist who does not believe in God. Optimist ashavadi. Optimist and pessimist are the synonyms of each other, antonyms of each other. A geometrical figure with 8 sides. This is the question which you all have to tell in the comment box. One who loves his country is known as patriot. The next question is incapable of paying debts is known as insolvent. Another word for insolvent is bankrupt. Bankrupt. A long and aggressive speech is known as harangue. Eloquence is the articulacy, means जो बोलने में अच्छा होता है, आर्टिकुलेट, जैसे आप बोलते हैं वक्ता. The school or college in which one has been educated. This is the good question. You might get confused between option 1 and option 2. The right answer is alma mater. Alma mater. And alumni is the plural of alumnus. Alumni is the person who get his education from that specific college or university. Enclosed area where aircraft are kept and repaired is known as hangar. Option number 4. Hose are the synthetic rubber pipes. Harbinger, you can say it is the forerunner. Or pioneer, अग्रदूत. एंड दिस हैंगर जिस पे हम लोग अपने घर पे कपड़े टांगते हैं. A short story with a moral, usually with animals as characters, is known as fable. Parody is the comic version of writing or any play. Ode is the lyrical poem. And I have already told mantras. Having two opposite feelings at the same time is ambivalent. A group of ships is known as fleet. The other options are squad, colony, swarm. Squad is the group of official persons especially for inspection or investigation. Colony is a group of bees, madhumakhiyan. And swarm is the group of ants, चींटियाँ. A person who preaches religion and is considered to be a messenger of God is known as prophet. Our next question is, a person who attracts attention with a flashy style is known as flamboyant. The other options are jockey, glutton, vagabond. Jockey is a person who takes care of a horse. Glutton, one who eats too much. Vagabond is a type of avara, one who wanders from one place to another in search of food, water, anything. A game in which neither party wins. This is a easy one. The right answer is draw. That which cannot be satisfied is known as insatiable. Option number 4 is the right answer. A place where plants are grown for sale. The right answer is nursery. Garden, you all know, bagicha. Aviary, a place where birds are kept. A place where birds are kept. And yard is a unit of measuring distance. Putting to death painlessly to end sufferings is known as euthanasia. To brighten up with lights is known as illuminate. Infuriate means to get anyone angry. Illustrate and elucidates are the synonyms, which means to explain something, to explain or describe something. To rise in value is known as appreciate. Depreciate, to decrease or fall in value. Our next question is central character in a story or play is known as protagonist. Person or animal living on another is known as parasite. Having something more than required is known as surplus. The next question is anger about an unfair situation or about someone's unfair behavior is known as indignation. A building where grain is kept or stored is known as granary. Our next question is working very hard and very carefully is known as diligent. So that was the last question of our session. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Thank you.